All right, so we got the restoration part of this situation covered. So one other thing I'm going to discuss is selling parts. But here is one thing that I will no longer do. If you are buying parts for your car, if you have a body man working on your car, I will be talking to him and getting his input on the part or parts that I am trying to sell you for your restoration project. I'm not going to rely on your opinion. You're not a body man. I am. He is. So me and him need to talk. And I can and some of the lingo that I'm telling, he's going to probably understand if what you're getting from me or about to drive 800 miles to pick up is what you need. I got myself into a situation with this earlier this year. Somebody ended up not being happy or whatever. And I don't like getting in those situations. So, to not have that happen again, that's the way it's going to be. Dealing with parts. If you are restoring your own car, whatever. But if you have a body man, I want to talk to your body man. I want to talk to your restorer. I want to get on the phone with him. I want you to put us together and you show him the pictures. If there's something that I see on this part that for a mediocre shop may be a problem, then I'm going to tell this guy, okay, what kind of skill level are you? Is this going to be a driver or is this going to be a show car? Well, if it's going to be a high-end car, maybe this part here, you don't even want it. Maybe you want something over here that's a lot more expensive. Are you going to have your grill re-chromed or are you going to just use it as is? Why do I need to sell you an $800 grill when you can buy this $300 one? So there's a lot of different things you need to understand. I'm not in this to zap your cash. I'm in this to help you save money, especially when it comes to parts. I don't want to sell you anything you don't need. If you have someone restoring your car, I need to talk to them. Ultimately, you'll have to make the decision to buy that part. I have actually sold parts to body shops over the years because they are handling the entire process. I try to let my customers find their own parts. It saves me time, it saves them money. Especially aftermarket stuff. They just go pick it up and bring it to me. So anyway, just wanted to add that too. Because I needed to address that because of the situation I had earlier this year. Don't want that happening again. So, with that being said, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.